We designed our Zero to AI Hero Accelerator, where in 4 to 6 weeks, we connect company data to AI to deliver enterprise results without the cost or timeline. And when we put our heads together, we sought to answer one big question. Why are so many companies failing AI adoption? And the answer is because of dirty, disconnected data. Right? Most companies are operating on a patchwork of software in different silos. All that data is segregated and not fully integrated. And as they say, garbage in, garbage out. The problem isn't in AI's ability to analyze. The problem is in the state of that company data. And so, while putting this package together, we focused on 4 key concepts. The first, data readiness. AI is very capable. You can test this out for yourself. Drop any spreadsheet into GPT or your favorite LLM, and it'll do a good job analyzing it. Now take that to the next level. Prepare all your company data, and now AI has access to sales, finance, marketing, and operations data when it's clean, normalized, and prepared for AI. The second key concept is the lakehouse advantage. Taking all of our years of data consultancy, we've taken all the best practices and packaged it into this accelerator. We're leveraging data lakehouses and the medallion architecture in order to systematically take raw data and transform it into business-ready data, taking it through distinct layers of bronze, silver, and gold. This is the gold standard architecture and implementation that the Fortune 100s, as well as the top technology companies, are using to manage their data environments. And now it's available to you. The third key concept was data agents as our guide. Now imagine that company brain with all of your business-ready data inside of it. Now, when you type in and mention Mark, your prospect, AI has context to all of the emails, communications, phone calls, notes that you've already provided, and it can give you advice and guidance grounded in real data. Or when you talk about Sally, who's managing your sales operations and expansions in new markets. With all of that data collected, you can now understand things from ad dollars spent all the way to dollars closed and have a real-time tracking of your profitability and your ability to recoup expenses in a new expansion. And the fourth key concept is speed without disruption. We know we're working with fast-moving, competitive business leaders. And so this isn't going to be some 12-month process where you don't see any results. In just 4 to 6 weeks, we'll connect your company data to AI and unlock those use cases and do it in parallel without interrupting your business operations. So imagine this world where you're no longer relying upon VAs and entry-level people to do manual extractions and transformations in order to make decisions, or a reduction in your boring operational back-end meetings. And we're doing this with success. Take, for instance, Devian Coffee, a fast-growing brick-and-mortar coffee brand based out of Orange County, California, where in 6 months, more than tripled their business. And with that amount of scale, they needed data automations and AI to keep up with this growth. Now, AI and automations are handling sales forecasting, compliance automations, and supply chain operations. We're saving hundreds of hours every week. Or take, for instance, Turf Bros, a home services lawn installation company that's expanding in 3 cities simultaneously. Now, with all of their data sets connected, we're able to give real-time insights on market expansions. And with this live calculating of expenses out and dollars invested in, and revenues, we're able to track how profitable each expansion is so that he can scale efficiently and quickly. So if you're starting to see this potential of where AI can go once it has contact with your company data, book a call with my team. We'll assess your current data strategy or structure. We'll identify the fastest way to connect AI to that business data, and we'll identify opportunities to reduce or completely remove manual workflows today. Now, I gotta say, I've got a disclaimer. This isn't for everyone. We designed this accelerator for competitive, fast-moving companies in non-technology sectors. People who are constantly thinking about growth do not need to hire another VA or entry-level person to do more manual work. If you're serious about integrating AI and data into your company so that you can remain future-proof and competitive against the competition ahead, this is designed for you. This is not for businesses okay with the status quo of manual knowledge work. If you're okay with moderate growth every year and you're okay with that status quo, AI could be seen more as a threat rather than an opportunity. And I'll also add, we're only taking a limited number of clients each month. This is not a one-size-fits-all SaaS solution that we widely distribute. We're taking our years of deep data experience and packaging it so that we can partner with you to implement data and AI in your operations with proven methods and accelerators. So, if you're ready to start your data journey, click on one of the links below. My team is looking forward to meeting with you.